Hello, this is Kobe, and today I'm going to do a short tutorial on how to create a basic web banner using Gimp. Gimp is a free software that you can download. It's the alternative for Photoshop. And the reason why I like it is because it doesn't come with the cost that Photoshop comes with, and you can still create decent web banners and web graphics using the program. To start, the first thing you want to do is go up here in the upper left hand corner and click on File and go to New, and there's the templates in here for different sizes. You want to scroll all the way down to where it says Web Banner Common 468 by 60 and click on that, and that's going to give you the sizes for you, and hit OK. After you're done doing that, you'll see that you have the size of your banner right down here for you. Now, to change the color, you want to click on here, and you can change the different colors that you want here, okay? And if you want to change the background color, you click on the bottom one here, and that'll change them. Now, what we're going to do is blend these two together. As you can see down here, it's a gradient, and it blends together like that. And this is your blending tool right here, so go ahead and click on this tool, and then you just simply drag and drop it like that. You could play around with this a little bit to have it work for you however you want. But I think I like mine like this. Okay. To insert font, you want to click on the big A letter, and that's going to give you your font. To change the different fonts that you like, you can click right here, and this will change your fonts. If you want a basic font, or if you want something a little jazzy, you can click on different fonts that you have inside of your system. And then once you decide what font you want, you just click on the banner itself and type in the font. Drag and drop your font to make it match. Now to change the color of the font, you just simply click down here and change it to whatever color you like. I'm going to change mine to a white color. If you want to make it bigger, you just simply click on the size down here, and that'll make it a little bigger for you. Now, as you notice, the font kind of disappeared. You don't see the .com inside of this, so you want to drag it over a little bit, and that should bring it back up for you so you can see it. Even it out again a little bit. There we go. Alright, so now that that's done, if we want to play around with the background a little bit, you can go ahead and click on Windows up here and go to Dockable Dialogues and click on Layers. And what you'll see here is your text. If you click on this eye here, it'll disappear so you can see the background. later on in advanced tutorials that I'll create, you'll see me doing this sometimes because it gets just so cluttered that you kind of have to have things disappear while you're working with them. But mess around with the background and not mess with the text, you want to actually click on the background here so it's blue, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the paintbrush that you see here and pick some different paintbrushes that I have installed. And to change the color of the brushes, you go ahead and you click on this. We'll see what this color turns out like on here. If you don't like something that you do, it's easy to fix it. You just go to edit and hit undo, and that will erase whatever you want it to. Okay. So to keep this short, I'm just going to pick something easy instead of actually creating a web banner. Let's see what this one does. There. Okay, so now I know what I want to do with it. So I'm going to actually go ahead and just do a few more things here to it. Okay, now once you decide you got your web banner how you like it, and I think this looks decent just for a really quick banner and to show you guys how that this can be done by just about anybody. Well, once you're done and you're ready with your banner, you go ahead and go down to File, and you want to hit Save As. Okay, now once you have Save As, you'll see this pop up, and you want to type in what you want to save it as. I put Fishing Charters FL for the banner name of it, .jpg. The reason why it's important to put the JPG in here is because that's a JPEG. That's like the standard image online. Things that hold animation are like GIFs and animated things. We'll get into those later in other tutorials. But once you have that saved, you make sure that it says .jpg, because if it says that is a different file, it might not be good to work with on other websites. Okay, and just go ahead and hit save. What you're going to see is this pop-up come up that says your image should be exported before it can be saved as a JPEG for the following reasons. JPEG can't handle transparency, blah blah blah. So just go ahead and hit export. Hit save, and that's it, and you're all done creating your web banner. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial and have learned from it. Your feedback's welcome on it, and if you have any questions in the comment section, I'll be happy to answer those for you. Thank you for watching my tutorial, and have a great day. Bye.